Are you suffering from tinnitus or ringing in the ears? If so, stay tuned because I have incredible news for you. Hey everybody, Jeff with 101 Health Street here to tell you about a company that not only claims they can solve your tinnitus problem, they guarantee it. And if they don't, they'll give you $100. First, a quick introduction. 101 Health Street scours the internet to find you the hottest, most innovative, and exciting health offers in the world. Our content is brought to you free, and we never ask for donations. We're paid by our advertisers. Please click our links to receive the special discounts and bonuses available to 101 Health Street fans. Full disclosure, clicking our links financially supports our show and our advertisers. We're not doctors, and we're not giving any medical advice. Before taking medicine or supplements, always talk to your doctor. Full disclosure, nothing in this video has been evaluated by the FDA, and these products are not intended to diagnose, prevent, treat, or cure any diseases. Now, if you're suffering from tinnitus, I'd like to tell you about a new, completely natural, non-invasive, and inexpensive method to finally quiet that incessant inner ear noise once and for all. I never knew what tinnitus was until I had a personal friend who suffers from it. I saw firsthand how that dreadful ringing sound can practically ruin your life. Tinnitus wakes you up at night, and any sounds can be painful. Whether you're at work, at home with your family, or out with friends. Being quiet has to be a constant concern. I won't even mention the headaches, dizziness, nausea, lack of memory, etc. Well, I have great news for you 101 Health Street fans. Now, finally, you can feel, act, and live completely normally once again. No more ringing, whooshing, whirring, or roaring sounds. You can enjoy full hearing and forget about tinnitus forever. I'm talking about going out with your friends and loved ones, having long, meaningful conversations in any environment, being able to experience life to the fullest, things going back to the way they should be, being more productive and focused at work, without having to hide from colleagues, make excuses, or always say you aren't feeling well. I'm sure you already know from experience that the vast majority of the medications, treatments, and therapies for tinnitus simply don't work. Why? Because they haven't gotten to the root of the cause. I'm not a doctor, but in brief, let me try my best to explain as I understand it. It all started when scientists at the University of Konstanz in Germany did a study and concluded that chronic tinnitus has absolutely nothing to do with your ears, but in the end has everything to do with your brain. I know, that's a shocking statement, but stick with me here. Scientists proved this because some people who are deaf also suffer from tinnitus. You've probably seen expensive specialists, but with no results. Maybe had ear therapy, which has ended up with no reduction in symptoms. Maybe flushed your ears, which only led to more ringing and buzzing. Perhaps you've considered expensive and risky ear surgery. But in the end, nothing worked. So, if you want to get rid of tinnitus once and for all, just end the dreadful ringing sound that's been ruining your life, you owe it to yourself to click the link in the description. Learn all the details about the product, the guarantee, how it was developed, how it works, why it's different, etc. But before you do, let me share with you 2 customer testimonies I received from the company. First, Fiona from Texas said that the product, quote, changed my life. My family and friends never really grasped just how devastating my tinnitus was, but they sure noticed my new lust for life. I'm enjoying things I haven't in decades, and my memory is sharp as a tack. It hardly seems real. I'm telling all my friends who suffer from tinnitus to take it, because it really works. Here's one more from Cassandra, age 62, in Wyoming. She said, and I quote, "I'll admit, I was very skeptical. I've suffered from tinnitus for over 15 years, and I thought I'd hear that noise until the day I died. After 1 week, the piercing sound felt more like a whir. After a month, it was gone. I'm looking forward to enjoying my retirement in peace and quiet." Now, before you click the link in the description to get this offer, I'll tell you, when we first learned of this product, we thought, well, we're not doctors and we don't have tinnitus, so how can we know if it works? We were so impressed with the incredible extent these guys stand behind their product. So, just how confident are they that they can solve your tinnitus problem? Well, they offered 101 Health Street viewers what we call the 100, 100, 100 guarantee. What does this mean exactly? It means your tinnitus 100% gone, or 100% of your money back plus $100. If it doesn't work, they will pay you $100 just for trying the product. Okay guys, so to be clear, there are 2 options. Option 1, they solve your tinnitus problem as they claim they can, or option 2, if they don't, they'll give you a full refund plus $100 just for trying. So, if you suffer from tinnitus, click the link in the description immediately. Learn all the details yourself, support our channel, and take advantage of the special discounts available to 101 Health Street viewers. Thanks again for visiting 101 Health Street, where we scour the internet to find you the hottest, most exciting, and most innovative health offers in the whole world. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts and experiences with others in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching 101 Health Street.